And once again, welcome everyone to Learn a Trade. Thank you for joining me on the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Today's broadcast is titled Exploring Learn a Trade Training Guides and How They Can Help You. I'd like to get started with going through accessing the training guide section. You can go to our website, which is www.learnatrade.online. And once you get there, you can click on the three lines on the left, or you can go through the menu that's on top and then scroll down to shop, click on shop, and that will bring you to becoming a member of the website. And then it will bring you to training guides and merchandise for your needs. And then this will bring you down into our training guide section and also our merchandise section. There is a number of training guides that I feel will be a great help to experienced technicians, service providers, uh, those who are new in the industry. These training guides will definitely give you the basics and help you move forward in your career, or help you to be able to move forward with your business. And these are a great resource for you to look at, checking out, and seeing if it's a good fit for you. Let's get started with the commercial equipment electrical circuits. This is a commercial electrical circuits course. This course serves as an introduction to the world of commercial equipment, electrical circuits. We will begin by exploring the basics of electrical circuits and how they function. We will then delve into the key differences between residential and commercial circuits, highlighting the specific requirements and considerations that come into play in commercial settings. Finally, we will provide an overview of various types of commercial equipment and their specific electrical requirements, setting a foundation for the rest of the course. And like I said, you can go on to our website and be able to check out that guide. Our next guide is the Turbo Chef Oven Maintenance and Troubleshooting Guide. This could be a great help to those service technicians who are servicing your C stores, your 7-Elevens, your Cumberland Farms, uh, Circle K's, all of your C store locations have these ovens. Dunkin' Donuts, various other establishments are using these Turbo Chef ovens or something similar to them. So just to give you a brief overview on it, the Turbo Chef Oven Maintenance and Troubleshooting Guide. Turbo Chef ovens are a type of high-speed cooking equipment that utilize advanced technology to quickly and efficiently cook a wide variety of foods. These ovens are ideal for commercial kitchens, catering services, and food establishments that require fast and consistent cooking times. In this section, we will explore the features and capabilities of Turbo Chef ovens, as well as the importance of regular maintenance and troubleshooting to ensure their optimal performance and longevity. Now, this is important, and this will help you if you're out there in the field because it will give you a quick reference to error codes. It'll give you guidance on how to troubleshoot the system and identify the problem, and it will also give you assistance on identifying your parts. And it's very important on these ovens that they receive the proper yearly maintenance or even maintenance twice a year if possible, because these ovens they do tend to build up um, grease, soot in their exhaust, the exhaust tube, and also within the cook cavity of the oven also. So this guide will help you be able to understand the importance of these maintenance tasks. Then we're moving on to the introduction to Hoshizaki ice machine troubleshooting. This guide is another one that is a big help in maintaining and servicing your ice makers, your Hoshizaki ice makers. Now, don't get me wrong, it is important to attend the Hoshizaki classes for your understanding and to be qualified and certified to work on Hoshizaki equipment. It is good to attend the in-person classes. So always be on the lookout for that. And like I always tell you, you can always go over to Mike Reed's channel, New to Commercial, and he will be more than willing to guide you to where you can find training, Hoshizaki training in your area. So you can always go there, shout him out. He's on live on mainly on Mondays and Thursdays, and other times during the week he has live shows there too. So you can always catch him on his channel, New to Commercial, and just ask him about the Hoshizaki training, and you'll see videos. He has videos that are already done that will guide you to finding out those training dates and stuff like that. So always be on the lookout for that stuff. He's a great resource for finding out the training and walking you through uh, signing up and stuff. So with our Hoshizaki troubleshooting guide, it's just going to describe to you that ice makers are essential equipment in various industries. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. So there is not a place that you can go into that is not utilizing ice in some type of way, including hospitality, food service, and healthcare, just to name a few. They provide a convenient and efficient way to produce ice for beverages, food, preservation, and other applications. Hoshizaki is a leading manufacturer of ice makers, known for their reliability, durability, and high quality ice production. In this training guide, we will explore different models of Hoshizaki ice machines, their components, and the importance of proper maintenance and troubleshooting. So that's definitely a guide you should take a look at. Then next we have creating effective service contracts. Now this mainly focuses on individuals who are working on establishing their own business and taking on service work as a service provider. So this is something that you would want to look at because it is very important to be able to establish an effective contract that is agreeable for you and for your customer. Okay. In this guide, we will explore the fundamentals of service contracts, including their definition, types, and key elements. By understanding the purpose and structure of service contracts, learners will be equipped with the knowledge needed to create and manage effective service contracts in their respective fields. So definitely look into this guide and acquire all the information you can. It never hurts. You never have too much information, and trust me, this will guide you along the way to being able to set up an effective contract for your company. Then next we have introduction to commercial equipment maintenance guide. Commercial kitchens are dynamic environments where efficiency, speed, and precision are paramount. The equipment used in these kitchens plays a crucial role in facilitating the preparation of large quantities of food while maintaining high standards of quality and safety. In this guide, we will explore the diverse array of commercial kitchen equipment, highlighting their functions, importance, and the critical role of maintenance and safety protocols in ensuring optimal performance. Another guide is our electrical safety and capacitor discharge procedures. Now, I have a number of past videos that you will find within my playlist on the channel that do go over electrical safety, um, how to discharge a capacitor safely, and you will find those videos within my playlists on the channel. But I do recommend this guide to anyone that is new to the industry or that is not really familiar with the electrical side of things in this business, and take it upon yourself to learn more about it because it's important for you to be able to be an efficient service provider. Let's look at some of the things we'll get into on this with this guide. Um, Electricity can cause injury or damage in several ways. The primary electrical hazards include electrical shock, arc flash, arc blast, and electrical fires. Each of these hazards has specific characteristics and requires particular attention to prevent accidents. This guide outlines essential safety precautions, necessary tools, and step-by-step guide to executing capacitor discharge safely and effectively. This is a must-have for all service providers working in the industry. I can't stress that enough. That the the key to succeeding in this business is staying safe and performing your task in a safe manner. So I really do stress that you look into this guide also. Let's go down to appliance repair, entrepreneurs business basics. The appliance repair business plays a vital role in society by ensuring that our essential household appliances are kept in proper working condition, from refrigerators to washing machines to ovens and dishwashers on the residential side. But then you also have your ice makers, your soda machines, your Slurpee machines, your your ovens, your grills, your coffee brewers, your coolers, your freezers. So much is out there on the commercial side as well. So these appliances are an integral part of our daily lives. When they break down, it can disrupt our routines and cause inconvenience. And on the commercial side, it can create loss of income. So when a store has a cooler that is down, or a store has a soda machine, a fountain soda machine that is down, they're losing money. Okay, so it is an important part, no matter how small it may look on the outside. It is an important part to keep this equipment up and running, and this is where appliance the appliance repair business comes in. This is where uh, service providers and service technicians come into play, and it's a nonstop business, so that's why it is so lucrative. Let's move on to our next one. So, cleaning and descaling of coffee brewers. This is a nice little guide uh, going into cleaning and descaling of coffee brewers, and this is great um, for the seasoned technicians, and it's great for new technicians, new to the industry. Um, the coffee brewers are an essential part of many people's daily routine. That some people, that's the first thing they reach for, that they go for, is a cup of coffee. So it's very important in society. Period. You know, and whether it's a drip coffee brewer or a French press or an espresso machine, these devices require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and the best tasting coffee. In this course, we will explore the importance of coffee brewer maintenance and learn about the various cleaning and descaling techniques that can be used to keep your customers' coffee brewers up and running. And like I said, if you're new to this industry, um, especially on the commercial side, uh, ice makers and coffee brewers are more than likely going to be your way in to some of these establishments that you want to get into. Okay. And the reason I say that is because the ice makers, they require regular maintenance every every 3 to 4 months, I would say. Coffee brewers, the same thing. They require regular maintenance. And if they don't get that maintenance regularly, trust me, these units are workhorses, but they will break down on you. They will break down on that customer. So it is important for them to keep up with their regular maintenance. It is important for them to establish um, maintenance agreements with a service provider that they trust, that they feel comfortable with. So this is where it all comes into play, everyone. You want to if you're established in your business, you want to get in where you can. If you can get into an establishment that has ice makers, and you can um, get in there, give them a good service, good maintenance, good uh, ice maker cleaning, and they're happy with your work, you're in the door now, and then that's where you can start surveying the area. Seeing if they have how many coffee brewers they have. Maybe I could provide um, maintenance for your coffee brewers as well. Maybe I could provide maintenance for your cappuccino machines or your Turbo Chef oven. So you see where I'm going with that. This is how you grow your business. And here I have the EPA Section 608 certification prep course. This is a really good course, and it's for a great price for it. I mean, um, it's these are all PDF courses, by the way. Okay, these are all PDF guides. You 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 get them online, and then the the link comes right to you of that guide or of that course. It comes right to you, and then you can get started right away, getting into it and learning more about it. So, with this EPA Section 608 certification prep course, this is a prep course. Okay, it's EPA Section 608 prep course. This is crucial for HVAC technicians, as it ensures that they have the necessary knowledge and skills to handle refrigerants safely, reduce the release of ozone depleting substances, and protect the environment. This certification demonstrates a technician's understanding of the regulations and their commitment to upholding industry standards. Okay, and you can definitely check this out if you're planning on doing like any refrigeration work. It it is important that you have your EPA certification. And now understand that some people misunderstand about this guide, but let me explain that this is a prep course. This will prep you to be able to take the exam with confidence. Okay, more than likely, if you go through this manual, if you go through this guide, and you go out and set yourself up to take your EPA exam, more than likely you're going to score very well on your EPA exam. Okay, so take an opportunity to check out this guide as well. Then next here, I'm going to kind of do these two together. These are two simple guides here. Um, Let me go back one. Let me see. It's a I split this up in two parts. So this is a NIMCO roller grill class. It's a roller grill training guide. There's not a whole lot involved with the roller grills itself, but I feel it is important for people to know a few things about these roller grills. So I put together this guide and the other guide, which is part two. I put together those guides so it could give you a basic understanding of all of the components in this for this roller grill, and a lot of the steps for some of the common service calls that you will come across. So um, go ahead and check that out, especially if you're uh, doing a lot of work in these C stores and stuff like that. Because all of the C stores and the mom and pop shops around have these types of roller grills. If they don't have a Nimco roller grill, then more than likely they'll have APW roller grill. Okay, and they're both very similar. They just have different little niches to each of them, but pretty much it's the same thing. You know, you have your controllers, your temperature controllers, you have your power on and off, you have your between 8 to 16 rollers, depending on if you have the large size roller grill or the small size roller grill. So um, look into checking out that roller grill training guide as well. And this is just part two of that same training guide. Okay, so hopefully you all will take a look at that and see if it's anything that may interest you. And lastly, on our training guide list is the Bun Dual DBC class. This class will go over the finer details of the initial setup of a Bun Dual TF coffee brewer. Okay, and this is something that you'll want to look into, especially if you're um, going into the C stores again, your mom and pop shops, your nursing homes, your schools, hospitals, um, municipal buildings, everything. Those are so key that you're gonna find these everywhere. So take a look at that, and you know, feel free to reach out to me uh, through email at learnatrade1 at gmail.com. That's learnatrade1 at gmail.com. Or you can leave comments in the comment section if you'd like to reach out with questions on these training guides. And you can always find these training guides on the bottom of my videos, and you'll be able to look through them there too while the video is playing. So there's a number of ways that you can check this out. You can also go to our website, www.learnatrade.online. You can go to the shop link, and you will be able to see all of these training guides in the shop link as well. So once again, I thank you all for watching. I thank all of the members of the channel and all of the members of the website. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate you and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay well and be blessed.